Hi, thank you for choosing BuyaDeal.ie. Today we're bringing you this 186 piece toolkit. Ideal for a service engineer moving into a new house, flat, apartment, all these jobs you want tools to hang up pictures, whatever. Everything is in this kit for everything you want. We're going to start off here in the first box. We have a socket set, ratchets and extension bars. The second tray, hammer, level, measuring tape, wire cutters, knife and vice grips. In the box itself we have a set of spanners, pliers, long snip pliers, screwdrivers, posi drives, Allen keys. The case is in an aluminium case, locks over. Wheels on each bottom and has a big handle, so you can carry it along, service your office work, your fax machine, whatever. Thank you for choosing BuyaDeal.ie, your local online store.